The BMW X5 key fob for models 2014-2023 uses a CR2032 battery. First, detach the metal key blade if present on 2014-2019 models. Use a flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool to gently open the fob casing at the marked seam. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, note the polarity of the old battery before removing it. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use a small tool if needed to gently pry the battery out. Ensure you wear gloves to prevent skin contact with battery acid. Insert a new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Double-check the polarity to avoid damaging the circuit board. Snap the fob casing back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your BMW X5 remotely. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is new and not a cheap knockoff. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center. Lithium-ion variants are recommended for extended life, especially in newer models prone to premature battery drain.